Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a standout in the world of compact kitchen appliances, making it an excellent choice for those seeking versatility and efficiency in their cooking. Perfectly sized for a 2-person household, its 4-quart capacity is ideal for preparing meals without taking up too much counter space. This model doesn't just air fry, it also offers baking, reheating, and dehydrating functions, enabling you to create healthy snacks like apple chips and kale crisps with minimal fuss. What we like: dehydrate function included. Compact design. What we don't like: a bit loud when working. Too small for multiple side dishes or over 2 people. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer. This model boasts a generous 6-quart capacity, making it perfect for family meals without taking up too much counter space. Its intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies the cooking process with easy-to-use presets, while the Even Crisp technology ensures your food comes out perfectly crispy every time. We were particularly impressed with its performance on a range of foods, from juicy chicken wings to perfectly roasted vegetables. Additionally, the sleek stainless steel finish complements any kitchen decor, and the non-stick basket makes cleanup a breeze. What we like: excellent cooking performance. User-friendly interface. Attractive design. Easy to clean. What we don't like: lack of smart functions. No dehydrate function. Number 3. COSORI Pro LE5 QT Air Fryer. This compact yet surprisingly spacious 5-quart model is perfect for those who want efficiency without sacrificing countertop space. In our tests, it delivered consistently crispy and well-cooked results across a variety of foods, from fries to chicken wings. The intuitive, bright display and preheat cycle add to its user-friendly design, ensuring quick and efficient cooking. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its non-stick, BPA-free basket that is dishwasher safe. With precise temperature and time adjustments down to the minute, this air fryer offers a level of control uncommon in its price range. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE is budget-friendly and ideal for most households looking for quality and convenience. What we like: generous price for the size and performance. Get accessories easily. 100+ online recipes. What we don't like: lack of smart functions. Number 4. Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer. If you're looking for an air fryer that brings versatility to a whole new level, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone Air Fryer is your answer. Featuring dual 4-quart baskets, this model allows simultaneous cooking of 2 different dishes at varying temperatures and times, thanks to its innovative Smart Finish feature. Imagine preparing crispy chicken wings and perfectly cooked veggies at once without any fuss. For larger quantities, the Match Cook setting synchronizes both baskets to the same function, ensuring even cooking. Beyond frying, the Foodi also offers broiling, baking, roasting, and even dehydrating. What we like: simultaneous cooking with 2 independent baskets. Large capacity for cooking a whole meal. What we don't like: too large for small kitchens. Number 5. Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer. If versatility and convenience top your list, the Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer is a compelling choice for 2024. With its 5-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, this model handles a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Whether you're crisping up fries, roasting a chicken, or baking a cake, it delivers consistent results. One standout feature is the 60-minute timer with an automatic keep warm function, which ensures your food stays warm until you're ready to serve. While the presets are user-friendly, we found the interface could benefit from more intuitive controls. A knob for adjusting time and temperature would be a welcome improvement. What we like: automatic keep warm feature. Easy food monitoring with window. What we don't like. Time and temperature buttons. Number 6. Gourmia 6-quart digital air fryer. Gourmia has crafted a versatile kitchen powerhouse with its 6-quart digital air fryer oven, perfect for both novice and seasoned home cooks. Boasting 12 intuitive one-touch cooking presets, it simplifies meal preparation, whether you're grilling burgers, toasting a breakfast sandwich, or reheating leftovers to perfection. The option to preheat or skip this step adds flexibility to your cooking routine, while the ample capacity ensures you can prepare family-sized portions effortlessly. What we like. Optional preheat function. Versatile cooking. What we don't like. Time and temperature buttons.